Samsung fans, get ready. One UI 8 is here, and it's packed with features that take your Galaxy experience to the next level. From smarter AI tools to a cleaner design, this update might just be Samsung's best yet. First up, AI integration. Samsung is bringing Galaxy AI right into One UI 8. Think live call translation, AI summaries, and text-to-image generation, all built directly into your phone. No extra apps needed. Next, customization. With new lock screen layouts, dynamic widgets, and even AI-generated wallpapers, your Galaxy can feel more personal than ever. Samsung has also improved multitasking. Split screen and pop-up view are smoother, and you can now pin app pairs for instant access. And let's talk performance. One UI 8 is lighter and faster with better RAM management and longer battery life even on older Galaxy devices. Finally, privacy and security. You'll get a redesigned security dashboard, stronger permissions control, and Samsung's Knox Vault improvements for safer data protection. So, should you upgrade? Absolutely! One UI 8 isn't just a fresh coat of paint, it's a smarter, faster, and more secure experience. And the best part? It's rolling out this fall to Galaxy S, Z Fold, Flip, and even select A-series devices. If you're hyped for One UI 8, hit that like button and tell me in the comments which feature you're most excited for.